Dear children, welcome to 4th standard English class. Today our lesson is the 7 seeds. Already we learned some topics. Remaining topics now we will discuss. Some of her friends advised her to go and buy new seeds from the market and plant. After all, they said, how can any tell if they were the same seeds? Annie's parents had always taught her the value of honesty. Honesty means truthful. They reminded her that if the king wanted them to plant just any wheat, he would have asked them to get their seed. Next, if you see anything different from what the king gave, that would be dishonest. Maybe you are not designed. Design means bound for the throne. If so, let it be. But it would be wrong to cheat the king. They told her. Annie agreed. Agreed means discussed. It had been 6 weeks now. The much awaited day had come. The much awaited day means the day they had been waiting for. The children returned to the palace. Palace means the residence of king. Each of them proudly means with pride, carrying, taking a pot of healthy seedlings. Seedling means small plants. It was obvious. Obvious means clearly seen that the other 9 had great success. Success means achievement with their seeds. The king arrived. Arrived means came to the place. He was beaming. Beaming means breath in the face. Looking at the children and their pot of healthy seedlings. He began walking along the line of pots the children had kept. He asked each of them, is this what grew from the seeds I gave you? And each of them responded. Responded means replied, yes, your majesty. Majesty means impressiveness in scale. And the king would nod and move down the line. Nod means move the head forward. Next, the king finally got to the last one, Annie. The girl was shaking. Shaking means trembling. She feared. Feared means filled with fear that the king might have thrown her into prison. Prison means jail for wasting his precious. Precious means great value. Seeds. What did you do with the seeds I gave you? The king asked. Your majesty, I planted them and cared for them every day. Cared means interest. I am sorry, but they failed to sprout. Sprout means germinate. Annie said. She hung her head in shame. Boo, jeered the crowd. Jeered means make rude. But the king raised his hands and signaled. Signal means information for silence. Then he said, dear people, behold. Behold means see. My ear. The next leader of our kingdom. Leader means head. Next, the people were confused. What that girl? How can she be the right choice? Right choice means correct selection. The king took his place on his throne. Throne means similar figure. With Annie by his side and said, I gave each of them 7 seeds. This test was not for growing wheat. It was a test of character. Character means behavior. A test of honesty. Honesty means being truthful. If a leader must have one quality, quality means tendency. It must be that he or she should be honest. People should be able to trust the leader. Only this girl passed the test. I gave boiled seeds. Boiled seed means seeds kept in boiling water. And boiled seeds cannot grow. So that they have lost their ability to sprout. Thank you, children. Dear children, welcome to 4th standard English grammar. Today our topic is noun. What is noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, bird or thing. Nouns are of 5 types. What are they? They are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Now we will discuss proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, thing or animal. Example, Nirmal, Delhi, the Ganges. Ram is a actor. Which is the proper noun? Ram. Ram is the particular person. Delhi is the capital of India. Which is the proper noun? Delhi. Delhi is the particular place. Okay, Kuti? Example, Alex is wonderful player. He was born in England. He lives in Sydney. He has a dog named Puppy.